Lesson: Smart Contracts, Governance and Compliance Implications. Smart contracts represent a revolutionary facet of blockchain technology, offering self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into lines of code. This innovation facilitates, verifies, or enforces the negotiation or performance of a contract, reducing the need for intermediaries and enhancing efficiency. However, the governance and compliance implications of smart contracts have emerged as critical considerations for professionals navigating the blockchain space. Understanding and addressing these implications require actionable insights, practical tools, and frameworks that can be implemented effectively in real-world scenarios. The governance of smart contracts involves the framework within which these contracts are created, executed, and managed. Effective governance is essential to ensure that smart contracts operate as intended and align with broader organizational and regulatory objectives. One practical tool for achieving effective governance is the deployment of standardized templates for smart contracts. Standardization can significantly reduce errors and ambiguities, as seen in the case of OpenZeppelin, which provides audited smart contract templates for Ethereum. These templates have been widely adopted, demonstrating their effectiveness in enhancing security and reducing vulnerabilities. Compliance, on the other hand, focuses on ensuring that smart contracts adhere to relevant laws and regulations. This aspect is particularly challenging given the decentralized and borderless nature of blockchain technology. One framework that can assist in navigating compliance is the Blockchain Compliance by Design framework. This approach advocates for integrating compliance considerations into the design and development of blockchain applications from the outset, rather than retroactively addressing compliance issues. By incorporating regulatory requirements into the code itself, organizations can proactively mitigate legal risks and enhance the reliability of smart contracts. Real-world challenges in governance and compliance of smart contracts often stem from the lack of clarity in legal and regulatory frameworks. For instance, the ambiguity surrounding the legal status of smart contracts has been a significant hurdle. The case of the DAO hack in 2016, where a vulnerability in a smart contract led to the loss of $60 million worth of cryptocurrency, underscores the importance of robust governance structures. Following the hack, the Ethereum community was divided on the appropriate course of action, leading to a hard fork of the Ethereum blockchain. This incident highlights the need for clearly defined governance processes to handle unforeseen events and disputes. To enhance proficiency in managing the governance and compliance implications of smart contracts, professionals should adopt a step-by-step approach. First, conducting a comprehensive risk assessment is crucial. This involves identifying potential vulnerabilities and evaluating the impact of various governance and compliance scenarios. Tools such as the Blockchain Risk Assessment Framework provide a structured methodology for this purpose. BRAF assists organizations in systematically identifying and mitigating risks associated with blockchain deployments, including smart contracts. Once the risks are identified, the next step is to establish clear governance protocols. This includes defining roles and responsibilities, decision-making processes, and dispute resolution mechanisms. The implementation of a multi-signature system is a practical tool that can enhance governance by requiring multiple parties to approve a transaction before execution. This approach not only increases security but also ensures collaborative oversight, reducing the likelihood of unilateral actions that could compromise the contract's integrity. In parallel, ensuring compliance requires an in-depth understanding of the legal and regulatory landscape. Engaging legal experts with blockchain expertise can be invaluable in interpreting complex regulations and ensuring that smart contracts are compliant. Additionally, utilizing compliance monitoring tools such as Chainalysis can provide ongoing oversight and alerts for potential compliance breaches. Chainalysis offers real-time transaction monitoring and risk assessment, enabling organizations to maintain compliance with anti-money laundering and other regulatory requirements. The integration of governance and compliance considerations into the lifecycle of smart contracts is not only a best practice, but a necessity in the current regulatory climate. Statistics indicate a growing trend in regulatory scrutiny of blockchain and cryptocurrency activities. A 2020 survey by PwC revealed that 70% of financial services firms identified regulatory uncertainty as a significant impediment to blockchain adoption. This underscores the importance of proactive governance and compliance strategies to mitigate risks and capitalize on the benefits of smart contracts. Moreover, the evolving nature of blockchain technology necessitates continuous education and adaptation. Professionals should engage in ongoing learning and stay abreast of developments in blockchain governance and compliance. Participating in industry forums, attending conferences, and obtaining certifications such as the Certified Blockchain Governance and Compliance Specialist can provide valuable insights and enhance expertise in this dynamic field. In conclusion, the governance and compliance implications of smart contracts present both challenges and opportunities for professionals in the blockchain space. By leveraging practical tools, frameworks, and step-by-step applications, organizations can effectively manage these implications and unlock the full potential of smart contracts. Standardized templates, compliance by design, risk assessment frameworks, and compliance monitoring tools are among the strategies that can be implemented to address real-world challenges. As the regulatory landscape continues to evolve, proactive governance and compliance measures will be crucial in ensuring the successful deployment and operation of smart contracts. Through continuous learning and adaptation, professionals can enhance their proficiency and contribute to the sustainable growth of blockchain technology.